My name is Jade Adeyemi. I'm an art director and set designer. Nominated by the British Fashion Council as one of their new wave creatives, I was chosen to design the trophy for the Fashion Awards 2024, presented by Pandora. I think for me it's always been about the colour and shapes. Throughout my whole childhood and life, I've just seen so many amazing women, unique styles. In designing the trophy, I always found myself thinking about the flow of people through their time in the world, and through that I was thinking about water and shells and nature, and how as much as we move forward within the fashion industry and we want to try and be as sustainable as possible. So I really sat down with what I thought resonated with myself, as well with Pandora using 100% recycled materials in silver and gold, as well as the natural elements of the mother of pearl. After the process of sketches, I collaborated with a 3D designer. We combined a mixture of sketches, 3D CADs, and AI. We would slowly tweak small bits of the design until we came up with a shape that we really liked and transfer that into 3D printing. It was really nice to have such a slow process in the making of it, take time when crafting and developing it to really create an iconic piece. After designing and developing the trophy, we 3D printed it. It was a great way for us to start off our initial visual prototypes and transfer that into ceramics as well as different types of resins and see which one would allow for the smoothest and quickest outcome. All of the finishing touches are handmade. Giving it to artisans to hand paint is really nice, just to know that every trophy has been cared for individually. I think for me the shape was always about fluidity, merge past and future in terms of where we have been in fashion and where we're going, and have something that people can hold, cherish and carry. Each trophy will be finished slightly differently, unique to each recipient of the award. Form follows function, or function follows form. For me, form was first when designing it, so I hope no one drops the trophy. Creating pieces which have longevity to them is transformational. Pandora crafts all their jewellery with 100% recycled silver and gold, and their recycled silver became a key element in designing the trophy. We pinned it to the base, representing the collaboration between the Fashion Awards and Pandora. The British Fashion Council plays a key role in educating the industry on sustainable practices, and Pandora has one of the most ambitious sustainability agendas. When the winners of the trophy hold the award, I want them to feel as though they've leveled up, and as though as many doors that are closed, they just keep knocking them down and striving straight through them.